The ultimate checklist for common skincare mistakes you're probably making. And if not, well done to you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I aim to bring you videos on minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. The skin around your eyes, nose and mouth is delicate and should always be treated gently. Rubbing your eyes when tired, tugging your skin when cleansing, and stretching your eyelids while applying eyeliner are some of the things that loosens the skin's elasticity and making it more susceptible to fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, puffy eyes and crow's feet. Not to mention possible damage to your cornea from rubbing your eyes. So always be conscious and gentle when it comes to facial skin. This can hurt the protective layer of your skin, making it extra sensitive and rash prone. After cleansing, we generally use a toner, and most people use this with a cotton pad and love seeing the residual dirt that comes off their face. But when we learn to properly cleanse our skin, we don't need to use our toner as a second method to remove our makeup. Rather, what I want you to try instead is pouring the toner directly onto your fingers and pressing into your skin gently. This also helps you go greener as you're not using any cotton pads in your skincare regimen. You can buy all the fancy products you want, but if you're not using them correctly, you're not going to get good results. Take note of the same areas you always go to when cleansing your skin. This unconscious cleansing is going to leave you with areas of the skin being neglected. So take a look at your skin in parts, like your jaw or closer to your hairline on your forehead, as well as close to your ears, and start paying attention to those areas you wouldn't normally cleanse. If you're not washing your pillowcases regularly, despite following an amazing skincare routine, you're setting yourself up for failure because you're essentially sleeping on bacteria. This is another area that is going to contribute to the quality of your skin, whether you realize it or not. Since we're still exposed to COVID-19, my husband and I have a decontamination process, and cleaning our phones is part of this every time we go out. Use some rubbing alcohol and just clean off your phone once a week. If your products aren't kept clean on the outside, you're essentially transferring dirt, bacteria and other nasty things from the outside of your bottle to your face every time you use your product. So wipe down your products every so often to avoid unnecessary skin problems. This may be obvious, but it's just a reminder for those of you putting it off. Just do it. As with some of the other points made, brushes also harbor bacteria, and when cleaned will get you that much closer to the skin you desire. Some possibly obvious tips that I've shared today, but if not new to you, I hope they've at least served as a reminder to make these small changes. Small changes, big vision. Until next time, be the change you want to see.